Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden gems of Japan's natural world. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of the Japanese Serow, a creature often seen as the guardian of the mountains. From its rich history to its vital role in the ecosystem, we're going to explore every aspect of this unique animal. So, stay with us as we embark on this journey into the heart of Japan's wilderness. Have you ever wandered through Japan's mountainous regions and caught a glimpse of a creature that seemed almost otherworldly? If you've been lucky enough to see the Japanese Serow, or Nihon Kamishika, you've encountered one of Japan's most iconic animals. Often referred to as the guardian of the mountains, the Serow has long held a special place in Japanese culture and folklore. But what makes this animal so special? And why is it considered a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of Japan? The Japanese Serow has a history that dates back thousands of years. Fossil records suggest that its ancestors roamed the earth during the Pleistocene epoch, adapting to the rugged terrains of what is now Japan. Over time, these animals evolved into the Serow we know today, a unique species that is found only in Japan. The Serow's ability to survive in such harsh environments is a testament to its resilience and adaptability, qualities that have earned it the status of a living fossil. The Japanese Serow wasn't always seen as a symbol of nature's guardianship. In fact, there was a time when it was hunted extensively, leading to a dramatic decline in its population. However, in 1955, the Japanese government took a bold step to protect this species by designating it as a special natural monument. This status not only saved the Serow from extinction, but also transformed it into a symbol of Japan's commitment to wildlife conservation. Today, the Serow stands as a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human activity. To understand the Japanese Serow, we must first explore its habitat. The Serow thrives in the dense forests and steep mountainous regions of Japan, particularly in areas like the Japanese Alps and the northern parts of Honshu. These remote and rugged landscapes provide the perfect refuge for the Serow, allowing it to live relatively undisturbed by human activities. The Serow's thick fur and strong, sturdy legs are perfectly adapted to the cold, harsh conditions of these mountains, where temperatures can drop significantly. The Serow's diet is as unique as its habitat. This herbivorous animal primarily feeds on leaves, grasses, and shoots. But it is also known to eat bark and twigs during the harsh winter months when food is scarce. Its ability to digest a wide variety of plant material allows the Serow to survive in environments where other animals might struggle. Interestingly, the Serow's eating habits play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the forest ecosystem. By grazing on certain plants, the Serow helps to control vegetation growth, which in turn supports a diverse range of plant and animal life. Despite its solitary nature, the Japanese Serow is a highly territorial animal. Each Serow typically occupies a well-defined area of land, which it marks with secretions from glands located near its eyes. These scent markings serve as a warning to other Serows to stay away. While encounters between Serows are rare, they can be quite aggressive, especially during the mating season. The Serow's territorial behavior ensures that each animal has enough resources to survive, but it also highlights the challenges that come with living in such a harsh environment. The Japanese Serow's reproductive cycle is another fascinating aspect of its biology. Mating usually occurs in late autumn, and after a gestation period of around 7 months. A single calf is born in the spring. The calf stays with its mother for about a year before venturing out on its own. The Serow's relatively slow reproductive rate, combined with the challenges of surviving in a harsh environment, means that population growth is slow. However, thanks to conservation efforts, the Serow population is stable and even increasing in some areas. The Japanese Serow is not just a biological marvel. It also holds deep cultural significance in Japan. Throughout history, the Serow has been featured in Japanese folklore and art, often depicted as a mystical creature that embodies the spirit of the mountains. In some regions, the Serow is believed to possess protective powers, guarding the forests and ensuring that the natural world remains in balance. This reverence for the Serow is reflected in the way it is treated in Japanese society, where it is seen not just as an animal, but as a symbol of the country's rich natural heritage. In modern Japan, the Serow continues to be a symbol of the country's commitment to conservation. It is often used in environmental education programs to raise awareness about the importance of protecting wildlife and preserving natural habitats. The Serow has also become a popular subject for nature photographers and wildlife enthusiasts who travel to Japan's remote mountains in the hopes of catching a glimpse of this elusive animal. The Serow's image is even featured on Japanese currency, further cementing its status as a national icon. Despite its protected status, the Japanese Serow faces several challenges that threaten its long-term survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and land development is one of the most significant threats. As Japan's population continues to grow and urban areas expand, the Serow's natural habitat is increasingly encroached upon. Climate change also poses a threat, as rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of the mountain ecosystems on which the Serow depends. Conservationists are working tirelessly to address these challenges, but there is still much work to be done. There are, however, success stories that offer hope for the future of the Japanese Serow. In some regions, conservation efforts have led to a resurgence in Serow populations. For example, the establishment of protected areas and wildlife corridors has allowed Serow populations to recover in parts of Honshu and Shikoku. These success stories demonstrate the effectiveness of well-planned conservation strategies and highlight the importance of continued efforts to protect this unique species. With ongoing support and collaboration, it is possible to ensure that the Japanese Serow continues to thrive in its natural habitat. I'll never forget the first time I encountered a Japanese Serow in the wild. It was early morning, and I was hiking through the mountains of Nagano Prefecture. The forest was quiet, with only the sound of my footsteps and the occasional rustle of leaves. Suddenly, I spotted a movement in the distance, a dark figure moving gracefully among the trees. As I approached, I realized it was a Serow, its large eyes watching me intently. We stood there for a few moments, each of us observing the other. It was a powerful reminder of the connection between humans and nature, and the importance of preserving that bond. The Japanese Serow plays a vital role in maintaining the health of the mountain ecosystems it inhabits. By feeding on a variety of plant species, the Serow helps to control vegetation growth, preventing certain plants from dominating the landscape. This grazing behavior promotes biodiversity, creating a balanced environment that supports a wide range of plant and animal life. Additionally, the Serow's presence in the forest contributes to the health of the soil, as its droppings provide essential nutrients that help to fertilize the ground. In this way, the Serow acts as a natural steward of its habitat, helping to sustain the ecosystem for future generations. While the Japanese Serow has benefited from conservation efforts, it is still vulnerable to a variety of threats. One of the biggest challenges is the loss of habitat due to human activities, such as logging and land development. As the Serow's natural environment shrinks, so too does its ability to find food and shelter. Additionally, the Serow's low reproductive rate means that it is slow to recover from population declines. To address these challenges, conservationists are working to protect and restore the Serow's habitat, as well as to raise awareness about the importance of preserving this unique species. Looking ahead, the future of the Japanese Serow depends on our ability to balance human activities with the needs of wildlife. By protecting the Serow's habitat and promoting sustainable land use practices, we can help to ensure that this remarkable animal continues to thrive. Additionally, continued research and monitoring are essential to understanding the Serow's needs and developing effective conservation strategies. With the right support, the Japanese Serow can continue to serve as a symbol of Japan's natural heritage and a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. The Japanese Serow is more than just an animal. It is a symbol of Japan's natural heritage and a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. By exploring the history, ecology, and cultural significance of the Serow, we can gain a deeper understanding of the vital role this unique species plays in Japan's mountain ecosystems. As we look to the future, it is essential that we continue to protect the Serow and its habitat, ensuring that this remarkable animal remains a guardian of the mountains for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who are passionate about Japan's natural world.